My name is Nicole John. I was rowing with the club team locally and had a couple car accidents. I was rear-ended. I had a neurologist because there was something with post-concussive syndrome as well as a potential pinched nerve. And basically they had said I was going to be that way for as long as they knew. I wanted to get back on the water. My coach at the time had recommended me to Aaron, and honestly, if it wasn't for him, I probably would have never gotten back on the water. I have used different modalities, whether it's chiropractic care, different physical therapists, and this is the only place that when I come, I still can do everything that I'm looking at doing. Whereas if I see any other practitioners, I find that I have to see them once a week or every couple of weeks. Really, it put me back into being active again. I still lift pretty heavy a couple of days a week. I'm pretty just generally active. And then I actually started to take hip hop dance classes. So this place keeps me going a little bit. What I would say is that come, give it a try for, let's say, 3 months. I would be willing to bet after the first or second time, you're going to see a noticeable difference, even in your day-to-day life. For the past 3 years, I've lived in Arizona. I've spent time, obviously, back here in Florida. I spent time in Canada, and then all the locations that I go to and all the different chiropractors and physical therapists I've seen, and I've seen some great practitioners. This is the only place that when I come, I have relief for a really long period of time. And I think that that speaks for itself.